आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। रोहित जी, आपका भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। और अब सबसे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण जिस तरीके से हम बात करते हैं टूरिज्म कल्चर, उसके साथ साथ ही एजुकेशन बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। आपसे समझना चाहेंगे कि आप JIS ग्रुप ये क्या है और ये काम कैसे करता है, इसके बारे में आपसे कुछ समझना चाहेंगे।
So JIS group was actually started and founded by Sardar Jot Singh. So it never started from the education sector. It started from the milk industry.
Which industry?
Milk industry.
Milk industry. Oh.
So we are still in the milk industry, one of the renowned in the milk industry. Recently, in a couple of years back, we started with Joy, which is a brand itself where lassi, milk products, other dairy products, and probiotic drinks are all given out there. Apart from that, we are in the education sector. We started off in the year 1998, where we started off with our campus, which is Asansol Engineering College, which is a joint venture college. Post that, in a year's time, we started with our own college, JIS College of Engineering. And since then, we have just gone soaring above. Right now, we have 40 institutes. Proudly, we can say it starts from the playgroup industry, from the playgroup, preschool, and goes up till postgraduate. So multiple streams are there in our institutes, be it engineering, pharmacy, law, management, hotel management. So you name it, we have it under one roof. And our chancellor of JIS University, who's also the managing director of JIS Group, he is looking into this and he tries his level best to ensure that the students and the parents and everyone are happy with the campus and students come and approach and come be part of JIS Group and its institutes.
आपसे मैं ये समझना चाहूँगी कि कहाँ से आपने शुरू किया और JIS ग्रुप एजुकेशन में एंटर हुआ। ऐसा क्या अलग है JIS में कि बच्चों के विकास के लिए या उनके डेवलपमेंट के लिए आप अलग करते हैं? ऐसा क्या अलग है JIS में?
So my journey in JIS Group started almost 9 years back, just going to be 10 years. So 10 years back, what JIS was and what it is right now, it's a completely different story. At that time, digital marketing, online marketing, there was nothing out there. In today's day, everything is online marketing and branding and everything is important. We see the change in the media where earlier newspaper ads and all were very important. Now it's all about word of mouth and how people speak about everyone in the digital sector. Right. So that's there. For the students, what we do different is we try to empower the students from day one. We give them all the requirements of placement and guidance out there of communication skills. It's not only an approach where just they're learning and studying, but we want to give them a holistic type of growth. So we have our different clubs, we have our entrepreneurship development cell, we have different activities which the students be part of. For an example, every year we have our JIS Samman. So it happened on the 1st of Feb, earlier this month. So the Mahasamman, we have various eminent people who come and be like...
That's a cultural event.
No, that's an event where we basically from our end, we felicitate all the people and students and faculty members of our own institutes plus outside of the JIS. So it's not only a sports, but it's cultural, academic, everything. So our faculties, we try to ensure that they are always well versed with the environment. Not only they just don't study one thing and all. So they try to build more publications and they try to build and grow their own career. So in that way, the faculties are also growing. Students, we try to give them all the skills possible and we ensure that they get the best marks. Those students who are getting good marks, they are getting felicitated. Apart from that, many students are not the studying types. They want to study just to get the basic marks, but they are more into sports, cultural activities. Yeah. So we try to empower those students by going and doing cultural activities. We have cultural activities of dance, dance performances, singing, play, all these types of activities where students come and they get felicitated out there who are performing well in their respective institutes. And when I say we have 40 institutes, so all 40 institutes have competition amongst themselves to ensure that who's the best within the one group.
Absolutely.
So that's one day where we are doing that. So we have such activities which are going on all year round where we try to push our students and our faculty members and our stakeholders, all our stakeholders to become the best. So that if you're not the best, then how can you give the best to the students and the parents who are expectations are much high from your campus?
आपने कहा कि बहुत बड़ी संख्या में आपके पास कोर्सेज हैं, बहुत अलग-अलग तरीके की सुविधाएं हैं, जैसा आप बता रहे हैं कि होलिस्टिक अप्रोच है, होलिस्टिक ग्रोथ की। कौन-कौन से वो कोर्सेज हैं और कौन-कौन सी ऐसी पॉसिबल सुविधाएं हैं जो बच्चों को मिलती है और उनके लिए जिसे बोलते हैं कि दे आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर लॉट?
So when we started off, it was from the engineering, majorly in the engineering. Right. But right now we have many courses. So it's not only engineering, as I said earlier, it's engineering, it's management, computer applications, medical. Couple of years back, we opened our JIS Medical Science and Research Campus, which is in Santragachi. Apart from that, right now, again, in the Bengal Business Summit, we signed up for a new medical campus, which would be starting this year. So that is there. We have a veterinary college. So vets will be coming out from those colleges, which will be a big thing in Bengal and also in India. And for us, for the teaching wise, we have all the courses. As I said, from preschool goes up to postgraduate PhD courses. People are doing research, advanced studies and research campuses we have. So these things are there. And right now in the eastern region, we are one of the largest educational conglomerate. And we plan to grow the national education policy. Like we're trying to grow out there, not only in the eastern region, but also go all India-wise, also grow. And definitely in the long run, definitely in the international sector also.
ओके और जेआईएस के लिए समझना चाहते हैं कि आने वाले वर्षों में, जैसे आपने इतने ज़्यादा कोर्सेज किए, तो आने वाले वर्षों में और कौन सी ऐसी नई फैकल्टी कह लें, नए कोर्सेज कह लें, क्या डायनामिक और जेआईएस करना चाहता है अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ?
See, every day is a learning experience for us. So, like I said, JIS Samman, this is the 7th year we are doing it. So, that was also something we started off from scratch. So, we are trying to innovate every single time. In today's world, we need to evolve on a daily front. Last year, we came up with a new theme, which was the JIS Expo. So, right. That was a different type of approach from us. Main reason for that was to showcase all our institutes under one roof to students, parents and guardians of all schools and colleges. So for future studies or for approach for education, they can always come out and reach out to JIS. Along with that, on that same day itself, we felicitated almost 350 odd schools, the student toppers from the schools on that stage. In Kolkata and in Siliguri, we had 2 JIS expos last year. So that was a different approach. So in today's day, if you're talking about what new to do, like everything is there to learn. We are trying our level best. All our institutes are working hard together as a team. Management is supporting everyone.
एजुकेशन में अभी आपको क्या लगता है कि एआई का जिस तरीके का यूसेज है, सोशल मीडिया का इतना इंट्रैक्शन है, तो आपके यहाँ या आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिहाज से स्टूडेंट्स को कितना एआई या कितना इस तरीके से कैसे उनको जो मैनिपुलेट ना हो पाए और सही रास्ते पे आगे बढ़े? एआई के यूसेज के बारे में आप क्या कहें?
See, AI is the future. AI is something which is coming up in a very fast pace. Students should utilize it, understand it, learn it, but also they have to use their own touch to a certain extent in case of AI. At the end of the day, there's a personal touch out there which makes a big difference. So artificial intelligence, ChatGPT helps them maybe in their studies, research and all these things. But a little bit of their own research and their own thought process does make a big difference. So AI, looking forward, it's the way things will change in the future. But definitely there has to be a little bit of more of a emotional, personal touch out there.
रोहित जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से आपसे बात की, ये समझ आता है कि JIS एक रूफ है जिसके अंडर स्टूडेंट्स को हर वो पॉसिबल चीज़ मिल सकती है जिसके लिए उसको शायद 10 अलग इंस्टीट्यूशन पे जाना पड़ेगा। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। उम्मीद करते हैं कि JIS ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ता रहे और हमारी आने वाली जनरेशन को या हमारी जो अभी युवा जनरेशन है उसको सही रास्ते पे आगे ले जा सके। थैंक यू वेरी मच रोहित जी, थैंक यू सो मच।